Hi students, today in this video I will explain periodicity properties like a valency, atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, electron negativity, electropositivity, metallic and non-metallic characters, how it will be changed in the periods and the groups. And it's a short video. In this video I will explain all the periodicity properties in one video. You can watch complete video. And first one is here, valency. In the valency, from the top to bottom in the groups, it didn't change. Why? Because all the electrons they are enter into the same group. That's why the valency cannot be changed. Whereas in the periods from the left to right, first the valency is increases, then it will be decreases. Then the second one is the atomic radius. In the atomic radius, from the top to bottom, gradually increases. Why? Because each and every time the electron are enter into the new main shell. That's why in the top to bottom atomic radius is increase. And whereas in the periods from the left to right, the atomic radius are gradually decreases because each and every time here the electron are enter into the same main shell. That's why the atomic radius is gradually decrease. And next one, ionization energy. Ionization energy means minimum amount of energy is required to remove the electron from outermost shell. In the ionization energy in the groups from the top to bottom gradually decrease. Why? Because the size of the atom is increases. Whenever the size of the atom is increases, the ionization energy's values are decreases. So that here the ionization energy in the groups decrease. So it is decreasing. And next one, in the period from the left to right, the ionization energy values are gradually increases. So in the period from left to right, ionization energy values are gradually increase. Why? Because and electron enter into the same main shell and attraction between the nucleus and the outermost shell will increase, so that in the ionization energy values in the periods gradually increase. And next one, electron affinity. The electron affinity value in the groups from top to bottom gradually decrease. Gradually decreasing. Whereas in the periods from left to right, the electron affinity values are gradually increasing. Okay students, the next one is the electronegativity. In the electronegativity characters in the groups from top to bottom gradually decreasing. Why? Because in the top to bottom atomic sizes increases and along with that metallic characters are increases. That's why the electronegativity characters are gradually decrease. Whereas in the periods from left to right, the electronegativity characters are increase. And next one is the electropositive character. In the electropositive characters in the groups from the top to bottom gradually increase. Why? Because here the metallic character is increases and the size of the atom is increases. That's why in the groups from the top to bottom the electropositive characters are increase. Now, in the periods from the left to right, the electropositive characters are gradually decreases. And metallic character. In the metallic character, from top to bottom, it will gradually increasing. Why? Because and each and every time the size of the atom is increases and electron losing character will be increases. That's why the metallic nature gradually increases in the groups from top to bottom. Whereas in the periods from the left to right, the metallic characters decreases. Why? Because if you are going from the left to right in the period, the metallic natures are gradually decreases, whereas in the non-metallic characters are gradually increases. That's why in the metallic nature in the periods from the left to right gradually decrease. Okay students, the next one is the non-metallic character. Whereas in the groups from the top to bottom, metallic nature is increases. That's why the non-metallic nature is gradually decrease. Why? Because the electropositivity character is increasing, and that's why in the groups from the top to bottom, the non-metallic character is decreasing. Whereas in the periods from the left to right, the non-metallic character will be increased. Why? Because and from the left to right the non-metallic characters are increased. That's why in the period from the left to right the non-metallic nature will be increasing. Okay students, so once again I am repeating, in the atomic radius in the groups from the top to bottom is increase, whereas in the periods from the left to right decrease. And the ionization energy values in the groups from the top to bottom decrease, whereas in the periods from the left to right increase. And electron affinity value in the groups from the top to bottom decreasing, whereas in the periods from the left to right is increasing. Electron negativity values in the groups from the top to bottom decreasing, whereas in the periods from the left to right is increase. And electropositive character in the groups from the top to bottom increase, whereas in the periods from the left to right decrease. The metonic nature in the groups from the top to bottom increase, whereas in the periods from the left to right decrease. And non-metallic nature in the groups from the top to bottom decrease, whereas in the periods it will be increase. Okay students, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.